We've been covering 360 cameras for years, but this time feels different. The hype around the Insta360 X6 didn't start with leaks. It started with pressure. For the first time in a while, Insta360 isn't just leading the market, they are being chased. Competitors are catching up. Features that once felt groundbreaking, like 8K video, smooth stabilization, and compact design, are now expected. Standard. Normal. And that changes everything. Because the X6 isn't just about what's new. It's about what's next. From what we are seeing, this camera won't chase headline specs. Instead, it's likely to focus on refinement, the kind that actually matters when you're shooting in the real world. Better dynamic range. Cleaner low-light footage. Smoother frame rates, especially at higher resolutions. That last one is bigger than it sounds. Anyone who shoots action in 360 knows the struggle. Fast motion, low frame rates, it breaks immersion. If the X6 pushes higher frame rates at top resolutions, it could completely change how creators capture movement. Then there's color. Not just better-looking footage, but deeper, more flexible color profiles. The kind that gives creators real control in post-production. Because today, shooting is only half the process. Editing is where content truly comes alive, and without proper color depth, you hit a wall fast. But the most interesting shift. Intelligence. The conversation around the X6 is no longer just about hardware. It's about AI. Not gimmicks. Not filters. Real, practical intelligence. Imagine recording a scene and your camera already knows what matters. It tracks your subject, identifies key moments, and builds a rough edit automatically. Before you even open your phone, your content is halfway done. That's where expectations are heading. And honestly, it makes sense. Creators today don't just want better footage, they want faster workflows. Less time editing. Less friction. More creating. Timing-wise, everything points toward a possible early to mid-2026 release window. That lines up with recent launch patterns. But nothing is confirmed yet, and delays are always possible. Pricing. Expect a slight increase. That's been the pattern. Each new generation climbs a bit higher, while older models drop in price, creating a layered ecosystem. It's a smart strategy, and it's likely to continue here. But beyond specs and pricing, what really defines the X6 is expectation. Users are asking for very specific improvements this time. Stronger lens durability. Faster file transfers. Better battery life. More reliable performance under pressure. These aren't flashy upgrades, but they matter. Because this isn't just about adding features anymore. It's about removing frustrations. That's the real challenge for the Insta360 X6. Not reinventing the category, but perfecting it. And that's a much harder job. Because when you've led the market for so long, people don't just expect improvement. They expect evolution. So the real question is, can the X6 deliver a smoother, smarter, more complete experience? Or will it just feel like another upgrade? Either way, one thing is certain. This launch won't go unnoticed.